Do you need to be all packed up like yesterday? I have all the best last-minute packing tips from professional movers, so let me show you how to pack up all your plates and bowls super fast. Here's what you'll need. Packing paper. You can get several packs with 50 to 200 sheets for cheap. Tape and boxes. You can get these delivered to you from fastmovingsupplies.com. Scissors. I know you're rushing, but don't run with these. And obviously your dishware. Now, let me give you the secret to packing quickly, and that's batching each step of the process like you're an assembly line. Step 1, assemble your boxes with tape at the bottom. Step 2, crumple as many sheets of packing paper as needed to cover the bottom of each box. You want a thick layer of cushioning, but by doing it all at once, you can pack dinnerware fast. If you're really short on time, you can use clothing to cushion the bottom of the box as well. Step 3, don't waste time fidgeting with tape. Instead, pre-cut pieces of tape and place them on the edge of your table or somewhere easily accessible. You'll want 1 to 2 pieces for each plate or bowl that you're packing, so to save time, cut all the pieces at once. Step 4, wrap all your plates and bowls in paper. The quickest way to pack is to wrap all the dishes at once, setting them off to the side to be boxed up later. To pack flatware like plates and saucers, start by placing each plate on top of several sheets of packing paper, then fold the paper on top and secure it with tape. For bowls, it's the same concept. Fold the paper over the edge into the bowl, and then add a piece of tape to keep the paper in place. Step 5, box all your plates and bowls, but note that the packing method is different. For plates, make sure there's plenty of packing paper at the bottom of the box and then place them on their side. For bowls, stack them vertically on top of each other. Add more cushioning around and among your items so the plates are packed snugly and nothing breaks. If you run out of packing paper, you can use blankets, socks, and scarves as cushioning. Step 6, tape up the box and label it as fragile. But you still need to get these boxes moved quickly. You can find surprisingly affordable movers at hirehelper.com that are available right away. And watch this video to get your glasses packed up fast. Like and follow for more.